Welcome to today's video. Bleak. I'm just heading into town to catch up with frame builder Bobby Quick, but I'm going to stop off at Jam HQ first. It's Black Friday, everything's going nuts in the office, and I'm preempting terrible traffic. All right, choppers.
Hello!
Hello. What's been going on?
No, mate.
You Black Friday?
We're Black
This
Friday.
is like the main. This is. How many screens have you got?
How many we've got, it isn't quite enough.
No.
Yeah, no, it's not nearly enough.
So it's going well then.
It's going very well, thank you very well.
45 done.
Sell 45 things.
No.
Sold more than 45 things, I had 45 offers,
offers.
some of them are bundles.
Damn.
But some of them are, that's multiple items and quite a lot of them actually.
40 of them are actually me. I've just been putting funny voices on the phone.
Come on, let's go. Let's get some lunch. I'm starving.
Hey man, can I be inside your vlog?
Oh yeah, what we're going to vlog about today? Should we vlog about bobos?
Yeah, but look what's behind.
Let's try and
He doesn't know how to use it.
I've done it.
Hey, look.
My porridge is cooking. I'm gutted, you saw me do it. I'm gonna look, oh no, I don't know how that looks.
I've got one of these coats now. No, not on now. I haven't got it
You've
on
got
now.
stripes on you though.
Got a rab one.
Did you end the rap gag?
Hasn't got that stupid orange bit that yours has though.
What, a hood? That keeps your head and your
No,
ears
I've got a hood.
Oh,
Just
okay.
as it's not stupid and orange.
But well, mine's blue and orange, and do you know why I bought a blue and orange one?
Why?
Because it was about 50 quid cheaper.
So because these guys are really stressed out because of Black Friday, thought I'd come and give them a visit.
And take the piss out of us.
Yeah, I'm not stressed out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and see Bobby Quick. Maybe see Jimmy.
Jimmy!
'Cause he lives next to Bobby Quick's workshop.
Normally my day off.
What, Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is how I'm coming to New York, mate. Barter.
Ah, you're doing today,
Yeah.
so you can come to New York with me.
Yeah.
And Daisy.
And L. Ice cream fridge. I don't want to justify £7 on ice cream today, mate.
I went for pea soup because I'm trying to get lean
Yeah, me too.
for the off season.
Yeah. Mine's just ham and cheese, pea soup
Oh,
in
nice,
bread
yeah,
sandwich
yeah.
form.
You'll be as lean as Max.
One of these days, I tell you. One of these days, if I can match Max in every department, life
You can fire him.
Just to confirm,
Lied to you so
are you looking at this because it seems out of place, or you're fascinated by it, or
Oh, no, I just love it.
cool? Well,
Is it yours?
it is now.
I'm out of here.
You done?
Have fun with all your work.
You going?
Yeah. You take it easy.
Thanks for stopping
See
by.
you soon. Hope
Good
more
day.
people buy some stuff.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye bye.
It's not going to be getting dark for another 2 or 3 hours. But it's just so grey today. It feels like it's already happening. Almost there.
Oh,
Hey,
Whoa.
it's you.
hey, it's me. Hello, friend.
All right, mate. How are you?
Good. I'm trying to keep warm. It's like hanging around in like car parks there, you know. It's a cold job. So I figure if I treat you as the centre of the velodrome, then I might keep warm. If we are in the right place, which is possibly not correct, not the right place, you might be over there. Oh, there's a giant turtle. There's a giant turtle in the bin.
Nah, there isn't. Nah.
There really is. I'm right next to it.
There's a giant turtle in the bin. Did you make that?
So much caffeine today.
This is a record shop and it's a
Coffee shop.
coffee shop at the same time.
It's not a bike shop though. Although everyone seems to be a cyclist in here. Skinny Eric's by here.
Pretty cool shop.
Maybe Skinny Eric has left, but the other dude that was here stayed on or something.
Fat Eric.
Fat Steve. Maybe his name's Franklin.
Franken Wiener.
Maybe.
That's a film, isn't it?
Film.
Probably was a book first.
Screening every night in
I
your
think
bedroom.
Franken Wiener.
What's this way? Dark corridor.
This is like, you know, when you get those giant Tabasco bottles.
Jimmy's
Just give it to Jimmy.
Well, like in the Vice, it didn't look. It was kind of like, oh well, this is clearly massive.
Put it up against Francis's.
So this is a size 52 or a small 8 bar.
You sure you've got this right, Rob?
The guy, I met him. His chin, the bottom of his chin, was the top of my head.
It was like I was wondering where that was going.
Where would it go?
Well, I don't know. I think you'd be like, he's just got such a big chin.
His old chin.
Poor guy, he's not here to defend himself. What's his name? Chinny McChinson.
Chin. Yeah.
Derek Chin. How long does it take to build a bike?
Started it this week on Monday. Today is Friday. I can do it. I can do it in 5 days, but like I built Chris's bike in 3 days. I built.
That's why it fell apart.
He wanted to apply himself.
I built this bike in 2.5 days.
I love that bike.
Is that what happens when you can't be asked to clean your bike? You just make yourself a new one.
Pretty much. Discriminatory towards robots.
Someone's gonna have a gripe, aren't they? Can't play didgeridoos. Can't have robot hands.
Well, apparently you can't call your boyfriend a chopper either anymore. But I was calling my boyfriend a chopper.
But you were.
I was.
What are you doing?
What do you buy? 8.65. My road bike, 8.9. So 250 grams heavier, which is a steel size 58 disc brake.
Yeah.
That's 170 mil head tube.
So that's a fairly big already.
Can't wait.
Great noise.
Yeah, it's a good noise. Super tall, obviously, but all in his legs. So it's like waist was up to here.
So this is a perfect example of why people sometimes need custom bikes. I'm guessing he's in the realms of on a stand, like a stock frame. He's not going to fit it.
No,
way.
The biggest. He's been riding the biggest stock frames you can
it's not big
buy,
enough.
and it's way not big. I mean, what's this? Is probably like a 64, 66.
But
maybe.
using this, he's going to be allowed to run a stem that's a normal length. He's going to be able to handle. It's going to handle properly. If
He's
just
also
running.
he's really young. He's like 17.
4 years old. He's got another couple of foot to grow, mate.
We'll see.
No refunds.
No,
You've been 3D printing parts of bikes.
yeah. Well, we've been designing them
Yeah.
and doing test pieces. So
These are the plastic prototypes, and you're going to do actual steel ones.
yeah. Definitely. So basically, I've had some dropout and a seat cluster. The reason.
That bit's obvious to me. I don't know where
So
those
this
go.
is a dropout, which will go.
That's like here. Okay, right. Yeah. So this is a for axle thingy. Yeah.
So and that's a flat mount. First of all, interesting process.
Yeah.
Printing in stainless steel. Not so new. It's been done in titanium for a long time. Steel was a bit harder to make happen, but now quite a few builders have been using it. Not necessarily first to the game. It'll have an internal clamp for the seat post, which makes it nice, incorporates it all. One of the hardest parts of the bike to make is the rear end, and it's because basically all the front end,
That's all straight.
it's all straight on the same plane. These take a lot more work. Things like slotting the dropouts.
Yeah, you got
takes
a bit
a
of
lot
a
of
curve
work.
going on here.
It adds comfort,
Yeah.
so
Bit of
they
flex.
compress more readily. But it's actually clearance for the tyre. The idea with 3D printing though is, first of all, it makes that whole process a lot quicker, because instead of cutting all these compound miters, we can just cut the tube straight, pop it on, easy. It speeds up the process, but also it's a stronger bond. It would be more accurate.
those.
That's the seat tube. Top tube will slot into there. It stays. These won't slot because they're curved at the end, but it will pop in. Makes all of that super quick and easy to do, but makes it a lot more accurate because you can't get the miters wrong. It's just cut the tube and put it on. They can be TIG welded or silver brazed. So TIG welding will leave a little bead. With silver braze, you just put a ring of silver inside and pull it out using the torch, and that will pretty much be an invisible line. TIG welding's a bit stronger though. Yeah, pretty cool. Really excited to get them in a few weeks.
It's the future, man. But how far away does this mean that we are from being able to 3D print a whole bike frame and put you out of a job?
Uh,
Is that a worry? Is that like a thing that
Well-
could potentially happen?
It's almost already happening. It wouldn't put me out of a job because the problem with it is cost. Getting these 4 parts made is costing about 450 quid. I mean 3 parts. The price of a whole bike would be very expensive because it speeds up production and makes it more accurate. So what I would normally do is I'd have an alignment process where I put it on a surface plate and I start measuring to see how straight it is. Even by like 0.2 of a mil, if one of these, especially on the rear end, is out, it means your wheel can sit 1 mil, 2 mil off. But then you start chasing your tail trying to correct that. Something like this would speed up that whole process because the straighter, the more accurate, less welding involved, so less heat going in there, less distortion. So even though the parts themselves are more expensive, actually building the bike should be quicker. So I'm hoping those costs level out. We'll see what happens. Whoop. Stay tuned.
I'm excited to see. Well, I'll come back and check out the parts when you get them actually done in, when you get them printed in steel.
Yeah, please
And
do.
we'll see you joining all together, hopefully. When are you going to finish that one?
It was going to be today, but I've spent
Loads of time with
loads of
me.
time chatting
Got
to
a
you.
coffee. Oh, this is your rooftop. Oh,
Hey, see all
cool little place.
That's here east.
The sky is
the
bright
left
purple. Light pollution.
That's light
London.
pollution.
Yeah. Hello, giant turtle. Do you say hello to him every day?
No, I fucking hate it.
What?
Come sit down.
I feel like people over there are having a fight.
That's not a fight.
It is.
Oh my god, that is a fight.
It actually is.
That was not a fight. Fucking hell, this is how you know he's from Surrey, isn't it? We've been talking about fighting quite a lot this evening. Did you grow up in Wigan? Are you actually from Wigan?
I'm from Wigan.
So this guy's from Wigan, I'm from Cardiff. We grew up in a place where it was
You're from
normal.
Cardiff?
Hey, what? F***ing I'll smash your face in, you bastard!
I'm from Cardiff.
That was not a fight, that was a dispute. Sorry to break
That's
that
just
to
a
you.
bit of argy-bargy.
I wouldn't even say it was that, really, was it? It was like, fuck off out of my place. You're causing a scene.
And then
Please,
his bouncers,
please,
his bouncers came along.
Bouncers.
It's like, come on.
Where I'm from, the bouncers usually start the fights.